All right, we're here for sentencing.
Yes.
All right. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 6643. Everyone please whisper. State of Texas versus Karen Munoz. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
John Young for the defense.
And are you Karen Munoz?
Yes, ma'am.
You entered a plea on January 10th of no contest, applied for probation. The court found the enhancement true
Yes,
based
ma'am.
upon your plea of true. And then you did not show up for sentencing. And so,
Told me that she missed the date. That's all, Your Honor. And then she just got scared.
all right, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There is no application for deferred adjudication, and the state is recommending community supervision. Was there a TAP evaluation in this case or no?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. I think it was just set for sentencing.
Okay,
She has her own business and she wanted to get it set up so that she could, in case she decided to do something other than probation.
okay, let me see here. All right. Anything else you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, would ask you to follow the agreement.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. So why didn't you show up for court?
I came on the fourth, February the 4th, and it was closed, and they gave me a re-sentencing date. I thought was for the 10th on my birthday, but it was for the 7th of February. And by then I already had the warrant, and I was just like, this warrant has plagued me. I'm glad that I'm here. I can get this over with. I need to get it behind me and
No,
hopefully get them.
you were set for February 7th. There was no fourth date.
No, I came on the 4th. On February the 4th, they gave me a re-sentencing, and I thought it was for the 10th, the next.
No. What I'm saying is on January 10th, I originally set you on February 7th because that's why it's written here.
I still have the paper, the pink paper, but I came on the 4th. I was just a miscommunication, I guess, on my behalf.
All right. Are you employed?
Yes, I have my own business. It's a removal of
Okay,
industrial
stop
waste.
talking so
I'm
fast.
sorry, nurse.
All right. So what do you do?
I remove industrial waste
And how long have you been doing that?
since November 11th of 2021.
Do you have any children?
They're all adults.
All right. What are their ages?
My youngest is 18, 25, 24, 21, 19, and 18.
All right. Do you have any grandchildren?
Not yet.
What do you mean not yet?
I mean, hopefully one of them will have a baby. My daughter teaches at 3rd grade. She's not.
No, I'm
having-
wondering, is anyone expecting?
No.
All right. This is a drug case. So what's your drug of choice?
I used to do drugs a long time ago. I don't do drugs anymore.
What's your drug of choice?
I don't have one.
Well, no, this is a drug case.
Yes, the drugs were found in the car, but I haven't done drugs in about 7 years.
What drugs have you done in the past?
I used to do heroin for a long time,
When's the last time you used heroin?
about in 2016, maybe?
All right. And the drug in this case is meth. Have you ever used meth?
No.
All right. So you're the only person in the vehicle in this car.
Yes.
The officer's saying that they found the drugs on the center console in plain view. So how could you not know there was meth in the vehicle?
Because it was like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was gonna go buy a loaf of bread, and it was not my car.
Cup holder. So you're telling the court you don't have any drug problems?
No, not.
All right, this is all on the record, and I'm telling you right now, if you want to insist that you haven't used drugs for a long time and that you have no drug issue, then we're not going to address that. But do not come back to this court on a motion to revoke saying you have a drug problem.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you want help for your drug issue or no?
No, I don't.
Okay. In probation, if you'll make a notation that she has no drug issue. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. There's a $2,500 fine. That will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want random monthly UAs, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 180 hours of community service restitution. If she wishes, she can buy out of that at $7.25 per hour. And I'm going to suggest the San Antonio Food Bank, but if there is another charity you would like that donated to, you can let probation know. And if it's on the approved list, then it can be for that. I just choose the San Antonio Food Bank because usually there's a shortage of food.
Your Honor, is she allowed to continue her business as the employment?
Yes, as long as it's not as a home health care provider or with minors.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months, and then probation at your discretion. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Okay.
All right, anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else you need?
No.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. He beat you to it, Ms. Rion.
Yep, he did. He's fast.
Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So what's the tattoo about?
It's just my son passed away. It was only God can judge me. It was long when I got it.
All right, I'm sorry to hear about that. And then the names?
My kids,
Okay. And then the chest?
my son.
All right, thank you.